Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is my Forest Friends collection. This grumpy bear here is Bao Bear. So his name is actually a play on words for Bao Bei, for a treasured loved one. This name came to me as a term of endearment. This caffeine fiend takes his coffee black in a cozy den deep in the forest. He's unfazed by the world and loyal to loved ones in a protective sense. He may seem aloof on the outside, but he embodies the spirit of a grumpy grandpa that means well with tough love. He'd readily leap into action to protect those he cares about. He also has a deep appreciation for the beauty in nature, with the forest as his home. If you ever come across him in his ventures in the forest, you can probably win him over a nice cup of joe. Remember, he takes it black, and you might just earn yourself a new forest friend. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please go ahead and give a thumbs up for a like, comment, and subscribe for more.